Hello everyone. Now let's take eggshell and cut out the shapes like this. Yes, we are trying to make a dinosaur using an eggshell. Wow. Now let's take a piece of pink chart paper and make the markings like this and cut it out. Yes, we have made a cute little bunny of pink color. Now fold it like this and you will see we have made a 3D bunny. Wow! Now take a tissue paper and roll it like this. Yes, now do it into half and quarter like this and tie it with a rubber band. Yes, again we are trying to make a cute little bunny of white color. Now add some detail using pink color. Now take a white sheet of paper, cut it into a circle like this. Take a triangular red sheet and make a Santa cap out of it. Yes, we are making a Santa Claus. And the Santa Claus is really cute though. Yes, thanks for watching.